Hey guys, and welcome to Disney Tales. So today we're going to have a look at the Caribbean Beach room tour. We're currently staying in Building 42 in Jamaica. It's a second floor room. It's a king room, so it's 4241. So let's have a little look. Let's tap on in. So we've just arrived, so we're going to be finding a lot of things together. So as soon as you come in, like you see a massive, it's absolutely massive in here, and we've got a corner room as well, so two nice windows on the outside. It's like I was just outside and I couldn't see in with this netting as well. So on entry on the right hand side, you've got the aircon, which is nicely housed in this brown woodish looking unit there, so that's really nice. Got the trash can there too. This this table is humongous, and it's like a little compass there with two seats with some nice comfy cushions. Then you got this TV unit area here, and the music is playing. It's quite nice, very Caribbean-y with the steel drums, so that's quite nice there. They don't come with it. We've already got our resort mugs. Got an ice bucket, really good. Then you've got three sets of drawers here. They are quite deep, so it's not bad there. Nothing in them. Then this massive one here is the chiller, which we've already got our creamer in there. And you've got another three sets of drawers there. Then got this coffee machine too, which does two different cups. I didn't get on with it very well last time. It was filling one cup more than the other, but hey ho, see if I can have it better this time. But we do have these Joffrey's coffees, which we really do love those. Oh, that's some nice artwork on there too. I'm guessing that's Jamaica, I'm not too sure. You've got this nice little bench area here too. And then let's go over this side. Sockets first, sorry. So in here you've got two US sockets and then two USB-A's there, and behind the coffee machine, I can't move the coffee machine, so let me just move that. So you got another one there, you can take that out, and you got a USB-A and a USB-C behind there, so that's quite interesting there. So over here, there is a joining room, but we've barricaded it with our suitcases at the moment. Once we've unpacked, they're all gonna go underneath the bed, or some of them are anyways. Got this over here to hang some coats and some ears, hats, whatever you want. A nice little shelf there too. Then you have the bedside cabinet. There's nothing in there. And then you've got a drawer there. Ooh, that's quite cool. And again, it's a nice deep drawer. Got two US sockets and then a USB-A and a USB-C as well. We got the king size bed, as we said earlier. And that's a cute little towel area there. 5 pillows, massive bed, nice little lighter there. That feels so cool. That fan, I can feel it on me right now. It's really nice. You just pull that then to stop it. I think. Over here then, you have a Hey Disney there, so we'll have a look at them later, and a telephone. Again, 2 US sockets, one USB-A and one USB-C, and the light switches on this side, which is my side of the bed. Some useful numbers there too. Again, another drawer, but this one has the Bible in, and then nice space under there. Got two US sockets over there, and quite a fancy looking aircon. So I'm going to change that to centigrades. 22, that's a nice one. Just going to have a quick little look to see if there's any sockets near this table. There are 2 sockets down there, so I may move this table slightly over here so I can have a little charging area, or I might turn this into my little charging area. Now the bathroomish area. Hello there. A massive mirror, massive, for a double vanity sink, and look how cool these sinks actually look. Lovely, absolutely lovely ones there. Then you got a soap and also a body lotion there. Some tissues. You've got 3 flannels. Yeah, 3 flannels or face cloths. 2 hand towels there. A shaving mirror. You got 2 USB sockets here, ready for your shavers and things like that 2. These aren't drawers because they're part of the sink, but then you've got some space underneath with more towels, spare toilet rolls and things there. You've got the hair dryer there too, and then over this side you have the safe. Again, you can fit a laptop and your passports and all bits and bobs in there. You have an iron with the ironing board, extra pillow and blanket there. You've got these hangers. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 hangers. That's quite a lot and quite a long rail there. We do have some portable ones too. You've got another trash can over here. So this is trash and recycling. So make sure you do your bit. That is for room service. All right, and then we head into a full length mirror here to do your fit checks. Here's in my Disney groom era. And I just picked up this pin too. Yeah, my Crocs, I'm still wearing my Crocs. And then the bathroom. So the bathroom is the downfall of this room, I think. It's quite dated and I think it needs a little lifting really. But you got it's fairly deepish for a Disney bathtub there. You got the toilets, you got another trash can there. There's a little night light here. You got some towels and a towel rack there, which does look to be, yeah, it's coming away from the wall a little bit there, so I'm not going to be putting anything on top of there. You got then the sea marine ones here, so you got shampoo, conditioner and body wash. Can't wait to smell those there. More face cloths and a towel there. There's towels everywhere. You got some nice shelves here too to put your soap and things like that. The bathtub there, the handle for the shower, and then a shower there. What is that, you say? That is for the clothesline to go across there to dry your clothes. I don't think there's anything on the back of the door. Well, some hooks. Nice. On another hook there. So plenty of hooks there. These doors do slide. Oh, and it's a very satisfying sound on closing this door there. But that is the room, guys. Very nice, extremely spacious. Very nice lamp up there too. So we cannot wait to sleep here and have this as our home for the next 12 nights and have a bit of Disney back in our lives. So thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell. Check out our resort tour and also our Cabana Bay Beach resort and room tours for there. We got others on here. We got the Art of Animation tour as well. So please do check that out. And also make sure to check out this entire vlog series of our honeymoon. We can't believe the things that we are doing. We are also staying one night in Animal Kingdom Lodge, but I'm probably only going to do a room tour of that, not do a resort tour, because it is our honeymoon and this is part of my wedding present for Gemma to have a night in Animal Kingdom Lodge. But like I said, click that subscribe button. Have you stayed here? If you have, then let me know in the comments. If you've got any questions about the resort, also pop them down in the comments section. But until next time, bye guys.